Top news as of December 24, 2025. Here's a comprehensive summary of the top global news across world, economy, finance, and technology. World geopolitics and global affairs. Global markets hold near record levels. Global stock markets, especially in the U.S., continue to hold near record highs. Investors reacted to mixed economic data showing strong growth, but rising uncertainty about future consumer confidence and inflation. Major U.S. indexes like the S&P 500 and Nasdaq remained elevated. Why it matters. Sustained market strength suggests continued optimism about corporate earnings and economic resilience, but mixed signals on confidence could affect 2026 forecasts. Paramount Warner Bros. Takeover battle and UK growth slowdown. Paramount has strengthened its bid to acquire Warner Bros. Discovery, with a $40 billion personal backing from Oracle co-founder Larry Ellison, intensifying competition with rival offers and spotlighting media consolidation dynamics. Meanwhile, the UK economy was recently downgraded, reflecting modest growth and reliance on public spending. Gold and silver prices have reached record highs as investors seek safe assets amid global uncertainties. Why it matters. M&A battles of this size can reshape media and entertainment sectors, slowing growth in a major economy, UK, signals broader global economic headwinds.
Economy and finance, markets, bonds, crypto. Corporate bond market near record driven by AI investment. A major financial update shows U.S. corporate bond issuance approaching record levels, $1.7 trillion, largely driven by companies borrowing to finance AI data centers, energy systems, and infrastructure expansion. Some major tech firms are central to this trend. Implication: this reflects how technology investment, especially in AI, is driving capital markets, but also raises questions about leverage and credit risk if economic growth slows. Mixed macroeconomic signals. Latest macro data reflect a complex picture. U.S. economy showing surprising 3Q growth strength in some reports, higher than expected GDP. But consumer sentiment and confidence metrics remain uneven. And China keeps lending rates unchanged for the 7th month, signaling cautious monetary policy. Takeaway: central banks and governments are balancing growth sustainability with inflation pressures. This continues to affect asset prices and global capital flows. Bitcoin and crypto news. Bitcoin recently reclaimed the $90,000 level, a symbolic psychological threshold for market confidence, but volatility risks remain as U.S. trading starts. What it means: crypto markets continue to be sensitive to global financial conditions, regulatory shifts, and macro risk appetite.
Technology, innovation, AI, regulation. AI and data center energy issues. Recent tech news highlights how AI data centers are increasing demand on energy infrastructure, in some places even pushing aging, less clean power plants back into service. Why this matters? As AI computing scales rapidly, environmental and grid stability impacts are emerging as critical policy and investment questions. AI regulatory and legal challenges. In related tech headlines, lawsuits and regulatory actions are emerging around AI training practices, including legal challenges against major AI firms over how training data was collected and used. Broad context. As AI becomes ubiquitous, legal frameworks are struggling to keep pace, influencing innovation, corporate risk, and global competition. Mixed signals in tech sector news. Additional tech headlines, e.g., tech company acquisitions and AI partnerships, suggest a mixed global technology environment, continued strategic investment and expansion in AI on one hand, structural and legal challenges on the other.
Summary: key themes across sectors. Global economy. Markets strong but sentiment mixed. Corporate borrowing near record due to tech spending. Macro figures remain uneven. Finance. Bond markets and risk assets reflect growth uncertainty balance. Cryptocurrencies volatile but still in investor focus. Technology. AI's growth strains energy systems and invites legal scrutiny. Big tech continues strategic deals and infrastructure spending.